Is that thing holding a charge now?
Yeah. It's at 3 bars currently.
With the water.
I got a video of it. I'm videoing it right now. It's all from the rain we've gotten the last 9 days. Tree damage.
A confront.
And then there's a bag right there.
Mostly clear. Patchy frost after midnight. Lows in the lower 30s. West winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Lowest wind chill readings 22 to 27. Wednesday, sunny. Patchy frost in the morning. Highs in the mid-50s. West winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Wednesday night, clear. Areas of frost after midnight. Lows in the upper 20s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Thursday, sunny. Highs in the mid-50s. Thursday night, clear. Lows in the upper 30s.